My name is Suresh Murgia and my metric card number is 06DKA20F1122. I'm going to talk about assignment 2 and this is the first question. Go down a bit. Down. Okay, and that's the first question and that's the question. So A, determine uh determine RAY, take moment at point B. MF is equals to 0. Ray open bracket 10 close bracket plus 10 minus 2 times 2 open bracket 1 slash 4 close bracket, and you have to minus with 5 open bracket with 2. Ray 10 plus 10 minus 20 minus 10 is equals to 0. Ray 10 equals to negative 20, and the final step will be ray is equals to negative 20 over 10, and the final answer is negative 2 kn. Next. B. Equation of moment mx. Negative mx plus 2x plus 10 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket degree minus power of 0 minus 2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket, and you have to open back again x minus 4 over 2 close bracket plus 2 open bracket x minus 6 close bracket. Again you have to open bracket x minus 6 over 2 close bracket and minus with 5 open bracket x minus 8 equals to 0. And the next step will be e1 d2y over dx power of 2 equals to 2x plus 10 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket minus 2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket. Again you have to open up a bracket x minus 4 over 2 close bracket plus 2 open bracket x minus 6 close bracket. Again you have to open up x minus 6 over 2 close bracket minus 5 open bracket x minus 8 equals to 0. Last will be a1 dy over dx equals to 2x over 2 plus 10 open bracket x minus 2 over power of 2 over 1 minus 2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket power of 3 over 6 plus 2 open bracket x minus 6 close bracket power of 3 over 6 minus 5 open bracket x minus 8 close bracket power of 2 over 2 plus c1. Scroll down. So y equals to 2x power of 3 over 6 plus 10 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket 2 power of 2 over 2 plus c1 x plus c2. Next will be determine c1 and c2. When x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So y equals to 2x power of 3 over 6 plus 10 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket 3 over power of 3 over 2 minus 2 open bracket x minus 4 close bracket power of 4 over 24 plus 2 open bracket x minus 6 close bracket power of 4 over 24 minus 5 open bracket x minus 8 close bracket power of 3 over 6 plus 1x plus open bracket 2 plus c1x plus c2 equals to 0. When x equals to 10, y equals to 0. e1 equals to 0, open bracket. So 2 will be times with 10 power of 3 over 6, then 10 will times with another 10, negative 2 power of 3 over 2, then negative 2 will times with 10, negative 4 close bracket over power of 24, sorry, power of 4 over 24, minus 2 open bracket 10 minus 6 close bracket power of 4 over 24, negative 5 will times with negative 8 with the power of 3 over 6 plus C1 equals to 10. So equals to 333.33 plus 320 minus 108 plus 21.33 minus 6.66 plus 10 to 6 C1. So C1 equals to negative 56. Complete slope not deflection equation. So slope will equals to dy over dx equals to 2x over 2 plus 10 times with x minus 2 over 1, negative 2 will times with x minus 4 power of 3 over 6, so negative, sorry, minus with 2 open bracket negative 6 power of 3 over 6 minus 5 times x minus 8 power of 3 over 6 equals to 56. So deflection of y will be, this will be the equation after simplifying, which is 2x power of 3 over 6 plus with 10 times with negative 2 power of 2 over 2, then minus with 2 to bracket of x minus 4 close bracket with power of 2 over 24, then you have to plus with 2 x, sorry, times with x minus 6 power of 4 over 24, then negative 5 will times with x minus 8 power of 3 over 6 minus 56 C1. Slope at point E, x equals to 8, so dy over dx equals to 2 times with 8 power of 2 over 2, then plus 8 times 10 times 8 negative 2 power of 1 over 1, then negative 2 times by 8 negative minus with 4 power of 3 over 6, then plus 2 times with 8 with negative 6 power of 3 over 6 minus 5 to open bracket 8 minus 8 power of 2 close bracket minus 56. So 64 plus with 60 minus 21.33 plus 2.66 negative 0.56 equals to 49.33 kNm. So 49.33 times 1000 power of 2 equals to kNmm2. So equals to 49.33 plus 10 to the power of 6 over E1 kNmm. Deflection ERY equals to 2 times with 8 power of 3 over 6, then plus by 10 to the power of 8 minus 2 power of 2 over 2 minus 2 open bracket 8 minus 4 power of 4 over 24, then plus 2 open bracket x minus 6 power of 4 over 24, then negative, sorry, minus of it 5 open bracket 8.83 power of 3 over 6 equals to 170.66 plus 180 minus 21.83 plus 1.33 minus 0.44 equals to 117.34 kNm m2 equals to negative 117.34 times 1000 power of 2 kNm n2. So deflection will be negative 117.34 times 10 to the power 6 kNm2 equals to E1. Then we'll go for D, and this will be the diagram. Scroll down please. So this will be the equation for ray. So 10 will plus with 10 minus 2x. So 2x will open bracket with 1 plus 4 plus bracket minus 5 power of 2 times with 2 equals to 0. And after it simplified, we will get ray equals to negative 20 over 10. The final answer will be 2 kn. So we'll see about TBA. We have to multiply it times with the numbers with two different brackets, and the equation must be minus of. So and we have to times with 1 over 2, and the second equation will be on 1 over 3. So the final answer will get 331 minus with 6.7 plus 3.20 plus 21.33 minus 108. So we will get 557.63 over E1. Next we'll see about T times A. So this is the equation for T times A. So 1 over 2 will times with 10, 8 and times with 1.67. Then we have the plus. So 8 times 8 times 4 close bracket, and the last equation will be 1 over 3 times 4 times 2 times 0.5. So after we times everything, and we have to plus it too, so we'll get 170.88 plus 256 minus 1.33, you will get 425.527 over E1. So this is a triangle, just a diagram, and this will be all the equation which is yc plus 7x a. So the first formula will be xx over 5 equals to bb power of 1 over 10. So yc plus 7xa equals to tba times 2 over 10. After we simplify everything, we will get the final answer of negative 111.526 times 10 to the power of 6 over E1 kn slash mm2. Now we'll go to question 2. This will be the diagram. So the first question will be MA equals to 0 TVE. So MA equals to plus MA plus 30 kNm bracket 2m close bracket plus 2 over 2 plus 2 close bracket plus 20 kn open bracket 6. So after we plus off everything, we will get negative 300 over MA. Then after we change place everything, so MA will equals to negative 300 kNm. So Fy equals to 0. So Fy equals to ray minus 30 kn slash m open bracket 2m minus 20 kn. So we have to minus for this step. So after we minus off everything, we'll get Ray equals to 80 kn. So this will be the diagram. So now we will find about mx. So mx equals to 0. Sorry. So negative mx, well, minus of with negative, sorry, minus with 15, open bracket x minus 2. So, and you have to times with x minus 2 over 1, and with following all the equation till the end. You can see the equation. So mx equals to negative 15, open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket, power of 2 minus 20, open bracket, x minus 6, plus 15, open bracket, x minus 4 power of 2, minus 300x power of 0, plus 80x. So this will be the third equation. Dy over dx, which is ei, open bracket, dy over dx equals to fmx dx. So we have to simplify it. So substitute all the numbers, and starting will be 15 power of x minus 2 close bracket over 3 power of 3, and in all the following equations. And last we have to write c1 x power of 0. So fourth step is we will simplify it. From the first equation we have to cut off. So we will cut everything, we'll get a simple equation which will be like this. Then for the fifth step we will go c1, this one with c2, which is called bonding condition. So x minus 0, so 0 equals to 0 into. So we will substitute everything for by using EI method, and some we need to minus off, some we have to plus. So 0 equals to c1 comma c1 equals to 0. So x equals to 0, y equals to 0 in 3. So we'll use another equation for c2. So, and this will be the E1's equation. So 0 equals to c2 and c2 equals to 0. Next, so at point E, x equals to 8 into n3, and this will be the equation. We have to minus, then we will plus with some numbers. So we will get uh, equals to negative 640 over E1. So Q equals to negative 640 over E1. This is step number 7. EI equals to y. So we will minus off with some numbers which is followed by the diagram and the previous equation, and we will substitute it. After that we have to simplify everything, which is equals to negative 4100 over E1. This is the diagram I have drawn. So TA, we will follow everything from the graph. So this 1 over 2 we will get from the graph, because will be in triangle shape. So everything in triangle, some will be in triangle shape. So we will use 1 over 2 to find the area. So we will times with all the numbers we have times in the graph just now. So the final will be 20480 over 3 in minus of with 9600 plus 320 minus 1620 minus 80 power of over 3. So TA will equal to negative 4100 over E1 equals to 4e. Go down. So a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. All the equation I've write down. So everything we have times with 1 over 2. Some we never use. See, like a2 we have times with 8. Sorry, negative 8. Like a3, 1 over 3. And a4 you have to see that carefully because it's in negative, a5 in negative. So the final answer will be for a1 is 2560, a2 is negative 2400, a3 320, a4 negative 1080, a5 is negative 40. So ae equals uh, to this formula. So 1 over e1 will be equal to, sorry, open bracket, 2560 minus 24,000 plus, sorry, 2400 plus 320 minus 1080 minus 40. Then you have to close bracket, and a equals to negative 640 over ei. So qu equals to qae. This will be question 3, and there are some equation on the right hand side. And straight we are going to the second step, which is ziq equals to smx dx. So the equation will be 2 open bracket x minus 3 power of 5 over 3 minus 2 power of x minus 1 power of 3 over 3 minus 2 open bracket x power of 2 close bracket over 2 plus c1. And this will be the equation. And the fourth step, we have to do the boundary condition, which is x power of x equals to 4 q minus 0 into 2. So this will be the e1 equals to 0 equation. So the last equation will be 2 over 3 minus 18 minus 16 plus c equals to negative 100 over 3 plus c1. So you have to change place. So c1 equals to positive 100 over 3. X equals to 4, y equals to 0. So c1 equals to 100 over 3 in 3. So this will be the equation. So equals to 1 over 6 minus 27 over 2 minus 64 over 3 plus 400 over 3 plus c3. So it equals to 296 over 3 plus 3. So you have to substitute the place and you'll get negative 296 over 3. So step 5, x equals to 2 into, so eiq is equal to negative 2 open bracket 2 minus 3 power of 3 over 3 minus 2 open bracket 2 minus 1 close bracket power of 3 over 3. So then we'll minus off it, negative 2 power of 2 plus 100 over 3. So total answer will be 86 over 3. Then you have another equation and you have to simplify it. So y equals to negative 33.5 over E1. So E equals to 200,000 nm power of 2. And this will be the diagram. And in the equation, the formula is on the right hand side. And this will be the table for AI, YI, AI, YI, then
IPG DI AIDI power of 2. Last will be IPG plus AD2. So the total answer for AI will be 2400. For AIYI is 20, 24 5100, and the last one for IPG will be 3.6377 10 to power of 6. So y will be 245,100 over 2460 equals to 99.63 mm. So Ix equals to 3.6377 times to 10 to power of 6 mm4. So y equals to negative 33.5 over E1. So Q will be 86 over E1 equals to 86 over 3 to open bracket 200,000 close bracket. You have to times with 3.6377 times 10 to power of 6 close bracket, and you will get 0.0394 for radian. And the second one will be on the right hand side is the equation. You have to times with 1000 power of 3, and y you will get negative 46.05 mm. EIG equals to KN slash M3. So that's all for assignment 2. Thank you.